In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and manage layers in Canva. Whether you're new to Canva or looking to refine your design process, understanding how to effectively work with layers can be a game changer. It allows you to organize your design elements efficiently, making the overall design process smoother and more intuitive. So let's jump right in with your design open in Canva. If you've ever felt overwhelmed with multiple elements cluttering your workspace, you'll find these steps particularly useful. First, start by right-clicking on any element in your design. This step is the gateway to accessing the layer options, so it's essential to get comfortable with this interaction. Right-clicking opens a menu that makes your design elements much more manageable. Now, once you've opened that menu, hover your cursor over the layer option. This might seem simple, but it's a crucial step as it reveals a sub-menu of layer-related controls. Hovering here doesn't commit you to any changes, but it does prepare the interface for the next steps, making it accessible to all functionalities related to layers. Next, click on Show Layers. This is where the magic really happens. Clicking this option will display all the layers associated with your design. Think of it as turning on a light in a dim room, allowing you to see the intricate details of how your elements stack. Each element of your design occupies a different layer, and displaying these layers gives you an in-depth view of your design's composition. Once you have all your layers visible, adjusting them becomes straightforward. Canva allows you to drag and drop each layer to reorder them. This step is immensely powerful because it lets you dictate which elements appear in front and which ones sit behind others. Imagine you've got an image, a text piece, and a graphic, and you want that text to pop right off the page. Simply drag the text layer to the top, and voila. It's all about giving you control over the visual hierarchy of your design. As you experiment with dragging and dropping these layers, you'll notice how dynamic and flexible your design becomes. You're not just limited to changing layer order. This functionality allows you to manipulate the entire look and feel of your design. If you make an adjustment and think, that's not quite right, don't worry. It's easy to move layers back to their original positions or try another formation altogether. Remember, every change is reversible. To recap, mastering layers in Canva begins with right-clicking on an element, hovering over the layer option, revealing all layers, and then adjusting them by dragging and dropping. These steps transform your design capabilities, giving you creative freedom and flexibility. So with these techniques, go ahead and dive into your designs, creating eye-catching compositions with ease. Happy designing.